I think for me, as a student with an engineering background, I'm not familiar with case study. So I learned a lot from all this case study discussion in the lecture. And in the workshop, we will talk about our vision, our strengths, and our dangerous zone. In this case, after the workshop, we can learn more about ourselves, learn more about our own personality.
I enjoy the most is the company visit. I can get to see all the real experience of how working in China be like, and it's very intriguing for me as a foreigner.
I'm enjoying the part of alumni dinner session the most because it gives me the precious opportunity to develop my network with those industry leaders. Very good for me to step out of my comfort zone and to meet with those guys who has a lot of expertise and working experiences.
I have a lot of Chinese friends here, and these friends are the first Chinese friends of mine, and I can learn cultural, their mindset, their life activities in here, which I really intrigue as a foreigner. And yeah, I really appreciate the friendships here.
I truly learned a lot from the passionate professors, friendly staff, and all the open-minded friends around here.
If you are a foreigner like me and want to find opportunities for studying in China, I really recommend because here is everything.
The CEIBS Pre-MBA Summer Bootcamp is a transformative place that offers unique learning experience and network opportunities for those aspiring business leaders.